Welcome to Relocating to Disney. Okay, today we're going to be talking a little bit about pool maintenance and repair. You know, you come to Florida, and if you're from outside of this area, you probably want a pool. That's one of the main selling points of coming to Florida. But you'll notice as you drive around, a lot of houses don't have pools, and a lot of the people who've been in Florida for a while don't have a pool. And that's because pools are expensive and they're a lot of work. But they're also at the top of a lot of people's list as they move to Florida. So I'm here to tell you a little bit about what home ownership is like here in Florida. And I'm going to talk to you today about something with a pool. I'm going to talk to you about the pool light. Now, traditional pool lights are the incandescent pool lights. They last about 1,000 hours, and then they have to be changed. Now, you can change it yourself for maybe $20, but it can be a little difficult. Maybe you're not all that great at doing that kind of a work. And so you can have your pool company do it, and they'll change that light out for around $100. Now, what's happening a lot, the big trend now, is to get the LED pool lights, because they can change colors and do all kinds of fantastic things. Now, the LED light is a little bit more expensive. You can have it installed by your pool company for about $200, or you can try to do it yourself for around $100. But the difference that the LED gives you is incredible, the range of lights and everything like that. Also, instead of lasting for 1,000 hours, they say these LED lights will last for 25 years. Now, I don't know how they know that. I don't think LED lights in swimming pools have been around for 25 years, but that's what they say. Now, there can be an interesting problem that happens with your pool that maybe you're not expected. Maybe you just bought a house like we did, and the pool light doesn't work, and so we assumed, oh, the light must just be blown. Well, it ended up being a little bit more than just the pool light. It ended up being the pool light fixture was bad, and that was quite a bit more to get that repaired. A new pool light fixture with the incandescent light bulb was just a little under $500. And if we wanted the LED light bulb, probably would have been closer to $600. And in order to get that installed, the pool company came out, and the guy got into a wetsuit, scuba gear almost, and jumped in the pool and made the swap out. Let's take a look, because it was pretty entertaining. So if you have a pool, chances are you've got the incandescent light bulb in it, and it's going to go after 1,000 hours of use. And after that, you should really consider, my recommendation is taking a look at these LED bulbs. Yeah, they're quite a bit more expensive, maybe $100, although I've seen them on Amazon lately for 50, 60 bucks. And if you feel into, like, you could do the install, there's lots of how-to videos out there on YouTube. You can install it yourself, or 200 bucks roughly is somewhere in that neighborhood for your pool company to come out and install it. So that's something that you need to know for your pool ownership here in Florida. Thank you for watching.